Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display total product quantity number in my account order section in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add new custom column and we are going to show total quantity number count. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So our column name is product quantity and we are going to calculate total count. Now you see get underscore item underscore count for order. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page and we are in order section. Now refresh the page and then you see new column added, product quantity, total number of product. Now you see 5, click on view and then you see total 5 product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.